Louis Partridge, that is who we're focusing on today, and he is in the new movie on Netflix called Enola Holmes.
Holmes.
What was that?
It's Enola Holmes.
Enola? Enola Holmes, sorry. And I'm really excited to talk about his hair today because I've gotten a lot of requests since this movie came out, which I haven't seen yet, but this dude is like a heartthrob, man. I saw this kid, I was like, man, he needs to be like a TikTok star. But it just so happened that I found a mannequin that pretty much has his exact haircut. I don't know how it's possible, but this is it. And what I'm going to do today is really just break down this haircut and a few different ways you can style it. Now, this is more focused in the movie, but if you see him on social media, he's got his hair down towards his face a bit more. Sometimes it's center parted, which I'll kind of break down for you. But the most important thing is the haircut itself. The important thing about this haircut and any other haircut like this is that it's not super, super short throughout the sides and the back, meaning it's not like a skin fade, it's just really something that is very, very tapered in a natural kind of way. So it could be a ½ inch long throughout the sides, 3/4 of an inch or an inch long if you're looking to kind of brush it back a little bit, which he's had. But the key is to have this tapered going throughout the sides and the back area, and then it blends into the corner area. Now the corner area, which is this right here, is really important because his hair has some length. And I've even seen in different clips where in the movie, this whole part is a bit more slicked back like this. So you need to have hair long enough for it to go back throughout this area right in through here, okay? This is probably about, I'd say, 3½ inches long, maybe 4, no more than that. And it's all layered. So it's going shorter into longer throughout this side here, and that's how you're gonna achieve that type of look. Same thing on this side, but the difference is because it's a side parting that the hair has to travel all the way over to here. So what's gonna happen is you still have that length in through here. It's just because of the parting, it's gonna be much heavier on this side. And that's where that length comes in. So you have to make sure that this hair is long enough to be able to come down and reach this length. If it's cut too short, you're not gonna have this flow. The highlight point of this haircut is really right in throughout the front here, where he's got it sweeping over like this. The length in the front comes down to about the bridge or the tip of the nose, and you can see it springs up like that. So if you cut this too short, it's gonna like be way up here, and you don't want that, okay? So the whole top is layered. The entire top, again, is probably about 4 to 4.5 inches long, and it's just a kind of classic haircut, classic men's haircut. He has a lot of hair. It's a bit on the kind of wavy side, I would say, like a light wave to it, so it's not pinned straight. Now, looking at his social media for more recent types of looks, he's got the hair all coming down more like this, all right, which to me it's still a cool look, but if you look on his Instagram or whatever, this is more of like what the style is. You can achieve the same type of style just with this haircut. It's just you change up the way you do it. Also, I've seen it where it's a bit center parted and almost kind of back off the face a little bit. So as you can see, where I'm getting at with this is that if you have the right haircut, you can style it in a variety of different ways, and this is exactly kind of the result we're getting right in through here. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about this. Should I watch the movie? It looks like a pretty good movie, and I am looking forward to seeing it. And let me know if you found this video helpful. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.